Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your streak in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below. So first we have to open up the Duolingo app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our lessons from our course. From here we just go into the top row and tap on the fire icon, and here we can check our streak. Here we have the months, and we can just look at what has been up lately. Yeah, and then in the top right corner, if we tap on this little arrow, we can share our streak. This is how it's going to look, and we can save this image and then post it somewhere, or send this image to someone, or we can just send it directly through WhatsApp, or we can tap on more here, and then select another way to send it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.